Hello YouTube! So it's been a while since my last update, and I think I have a pretty good read on the market now. I've been kind of decisive, but I think in terms of Elliott wave that we topped here, that 2025 was probably the bear market year, a different bear market than people expected probably. So this is an A, B, C in a wave 2. So we have 5 waves up here in wave 1. We now completed wave 2, or perhaps one more low. And we should then get the wave 3 rally. And this could be the... Let's actually look here. So as you can see here on the monthly stochastic, if we look at the stochastic here, you can see that we are pretty much at bear market lows. So my theory here is that we might actually have the 4-year cycle low early. We're gonna rip pretty aggressively from here. So anywhere between 230 and 320 will probably be the target. And I know a lot of people are expecting the next year to be the bear market year. Of course, that's always a possibility. However, people are expecting a recession the next year, and the markets always price things in advance. So if there is going to be a recession next year, then it's already priced in this year. So my theory is that the market is going to price in the end of the recession and the start of the new business cycle before the new business cycle starts. That's why we would get a mega rally, basically. Of course, there is potential that this count is wrong. We could have that the 5th wave is not complete. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we then get a final 5th. That would probably be something like this. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending diagonal, and then bear market. That's another possibility. However, I'm looking at first and foremost Bitcoin dominance, which looks weak on higher time frames. If we look here, I am expecting this to find its way back down to the 200 SMA. Also, Tether dominance is at supply, strong supply. Looks like it has reclaimed, but I think this is going to break down. Stochastic has rolled over already, and this could fall all the way down to demand here, which is 25% drop, but it could also, which I would like to see, get below these lows into the green box, which is roughly a 50%, 45% drop, before then moving higher. Now that would be a lot of capital flowing back into the space. And if we look at others, you can see that we have support here at the 200 SMA on the weekly. I'm not super super sure of the bullish count at the moment here, because even though I think Bitcoin looks good, Tether dominance looks good, Bitcoin dominance looks good for bullish price action, I think this chart would look a lot better if we got a I'm gonna show you a little path here. If we gotta move up here to 260 billion, then I crash all the way down here to 100 billion, and then we go on a mega rally. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, A, B, C, wave 2, and then the mega rally. So this chart would look better with a proper bear market. Another 50% decline. However, if the rest of the market is going to rise, I expect this to rise as well. I just don't know how I would count this. That's the case. Maybe this high is just part of a wave 4. So we could have the third wave ending here. We then have a larger wave 4 here, a big running flat. And we now did our first impulse here, probably. So 1, 2. That could be the case. However, we need to monitor this area, because it could act as resistance before then a puke all the way down there, and you don't want to sit on altcoins if that happens. So keep an eye on the 200 SMA on the daily, because it's right there. If we break above it and continue to move higher, amazing. But if we start to see weakness there, then we could actually get the bearish scenario. Just keep that in mind. Anyways, let's look at something else. ETH BTC is another chart that looks really, really good, which supports the bullish idea that we bounced off the 200 SMA on the daily, broke out of this resistance. You can see the clear breakout here, even on the weekly. Look at that. If we can reclaim the 20 SMA here, I think we're good to move up all the way up here. So ETH is signaling bullishness. Total 3 to BTC is another chart that actually looks really good, like it's finding a low here, starting an uptrend actually, higher highs, higher lows. Another one I looked at for confluence was ADA BTC, which made a new cycle low here, and is right now starting to show some strength actually. You can see. So there is some good bullish confluence in the market. And if we look at Bitcoin's weekly cycles, we have confluence that the low is in here actually. So yeah, I think the market overall looks good, looks bullish. Sentiment is destroyed, but keep in mind, if you're in alts, this level on this level, the 260 billion level, is kind of like the danger zone, because if we reject there, like that's your exit if the bear market is gonna come. If not, if we get the bullish scenario, then I would look at this yellow box here and the 832 billion first, and then we can start to look at higher targets. So yeah, anyways, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.